Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And it's been almost a month since my last premiere. And boy, have I missed you. My studio isn't quite back to normal yet, so please excuse the dust, but today's message is too important to wait. I'm honored to be part of TeamWater, joining over 3,000 creators from around the world. Together, we're hoping to raise $40 million to help bring clean, life-giving water to those in desperate need. We may feel like we're just a drop in the bucket, but even a single drop creates ripples, and that's exactly what I want to show you today. While I create this mermaid tray from a puzzle sent to me by a dear friend months ago, I want to invite you into a story about water, about magic, and about how we can all be part of something extraordinary. You see, mermaids have always been guardians of the sea in myth and legends, protectors of the deep, messengers between worlds, and symbols of intuition, healing, and fierce independence. And just like the mermaid, water holds mystery, power, and life. This tray is more than resin and alcohol inks. It's an offering to the waters of this world, to those still waiting for clean water, and to the ripple of hope we can each create. So stay with me, my friends. Open your heart and let this be more than just a project. Let it be a reminder that we can make a difference, one drop at a time. And yes, I do have a story for you today. I want to tell you a story, not just about water, but about life, about us, about what happens when something so simple, so sacred, is taken for granted until it's gone. Somewhere in the world today, a child is walking to fetch water. It's early. The sun isn't up yet. Her feet are bare, and the path is long. The water she'll bring back isn't clean, but it's all she has, and she's only 8 years old. She doesn't know that what she's carrying could make her sick. She doesn't know what clean water feels like, how it dances in your mouth or cools your skin after a hot day. She doesn't know that just across the globe, someone like you washes paintbrushes in water clearer than anything she has ever seen. Now, I'm not here to guilt you. That's not what this is about. I'm here because I believe in the power of people. I believe in the power of community, in the power of art, and of action. And today, I've joined more than 3,000 YouTube creators in this large collaboration to raise $40 million to bring clean, safe water to 2 million people. Because this can't wait. Because the water can't wait. You see, the world is changing. Climate change is making water harder to find. Droughts are drying up rivers that once gave life to entire villages. Floods are poisoning wells and waste and chemicals. Pipes crack, systems fail, and people, real people, are left with nothing but buckets of hope. But we have something they don't: choice, resources, and a voice. And now we have each other. TeamWater is working hand in hand with WaterAid, one of the most respected organizations in the world, with a 4-star charity navigator rating and 40 years of experience in over 30 countries. They don't hand out bottles of water and walk away. They build, they train, they listen, they stay. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you were truly thirsty? Not just, I forgot to bring a bottle of water thirsty, but deep, mouth dry, soul cracking thirsty. What would you do if for a week the taps ran dry? If your children couldn't bathe? If your meals couldn't cook? If your hands couldn't wash after using the restroom? That's the reality millions of people face every day, and it's solvable. WaterAid has found that we can bring clean water to one person, not for a week, not for a month, but for 20 years for just $20. That's $1 per year to change a life. We're funding solar-powered pumps, pipe systems, rainwater harvesting, filtration systems, mobile labs, and training for long-term local maintenance. So while I pour my resin, while I swirl this blue into something beautiful, I want you to imagine a village where blue water finally flows from a tap. I want you to hear the laughter of children splashing in clean puddles, to picture a mother watching her child drink without fear, to see a young girl walking to school instead of walking for water, because this is what we're fighting for. We are TeamWater. Clean water makes health possible, education possible, equality possible, dignity possible. So if this story has touched your heart, even just one drop's worth, I invite you to do something small that will ripple out in a very big way. Click the link in the description, scan the QR code on the screen. Help us raise $40 million to bring clean water to 2 million people. You are the drop. You are the wave. You are the one we've been waiting for. And if you want to be inspired by even more beautiful voices, simply type #TeamWater into the YouTube search bar, and you'll discover over 3,000 amazing creators coming together for this powerful cause. I want to thank each and every one of you watching today. I want to thank my subscribers, my wonderful channel members, and those who sent super chats this month. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me to continue to share stories that matter. And remember, it's not just paint, it's art by Donna. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Pouring resin, pouring hope, pouring life for TeamWater. See you Sunday. Bye-bye now.